Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to greet everyone a Happy New Year. Sana ay naging masaya ang inyong New Year, especially yung mga nasa Pilipinas. So, it's kind of different pag nandito sa abroad. So, it's like a very normal day. Walang gatherings, walang mga eksena. Doon tayo sa bahay. So, other than that, I've received a parcel yesterday and I've ordered some. This is like a top up for my skincare. I got from Skintific skincare that I'm using lately. So yeah, let's do the unpacking. Actually, meron silang I just grabbed the opportunity kasi meron silang sale at the moment. I think I've ordered it before Christmas and they do have some discounts. So malapit na maubos yung aking mga kaik-ikan sa mukha. Nag-order ako, tsaka nag-order ako ng different kind of skincare from Skintific. So nag-order ako ng isang set from them. So nag-order ako kasi paubos na yung aking skincare. Nagamit ko siya kasi ito, tingnan nyo. Malapit na siyang maubos. Tapos yung aking, ano ba yun? Itong toner, halfway na siya or less than halfway. Tapos yung aking facial wash ay mauubos na rin. So I'm just, kumbaga talagang ini-squeeze in ko siya. Tapos ito na siya, yung cleanser, face cleanser. Yan siya. This one. And I think this one is a free sample moisturizer. Ito siya. Another one, ito yung bigger size niya ng cream. Ito siya. Ito yung small niya, sample size. Ito yung normal size niya. So, isa skin barrier. Meron na din siyang collagen dito. So, yeah. And then, this is the toner. Yan yung toner niya. And ito yung serum niya. So, comes with a set. So, ito siya. Ito. At saka ito. So, ito yung facial cleanser. Ito yung facial cleanser toner. Tapos, ito yung serum. At saka yung moisturizer. I wanted to try a different ito yung I think I ordered a different set as well. Different kind of set. This is a brightening moisturizer gel. So, it's din siya. Set din siya. Ito yung moisturizer, brightening siya. Tapos, ito yung exfoliating pad. So, siguro yun yung, i-try natin to. So, it's, curious ako kasi meron daw siyang exfoliating. Kasi mapapansin nyo, a lot of pimple marks from previous, may breakouts. Meron akong parang, siguro, I don't know if it's because of, how do you say, hormonal imbalance. Kasi dati wala naman akong mga sumpa sa mukha. Tapos, I think nung nag-move ako dito sa UK, or before ako mag-move ng UK, nagkaroon ako ng mga bumps, mga pimple. So, katagalan yung mga pimple marks niya. Ito makikita nyo. Tapos meron pa akong bagong tubo na sumpa. Yan. So, tingnan natin kung effective siya. And the last one is yung brightening serum niya. So, ito lahat nakuha ko siya sa mismong Skintific website nila sa Facebook. So, kung interesado kayo, so you better check. This is a good, actually, quite promising product. So, nakikita ko lang kasi ito sa Facebook ko. So, na-curious ako. Kasi, alam mo yung, naano ka na kasi sa dami ng pimple marks mo dito, tsaka dito, yan. At ngayon, medyo, na siya, lesser na siya. Yung, hindi mo na siya masyadong nahalata. So, yeah. Lately, I've been using a Skintific product. And I've also got this one. So, this is the Caution one. I'm in the shade Beige 04. So, before I'm using the blue one, ito siya, pero, ito. Pero wala na yan. Sinasaid ko na lang. So, dito na ako sa pink kasi nag-glowy daw yung skin niya. Parang, yeah, diba? Tingnan natin. I'll keep you posted kung anong update dun sa brightening one. But the first one, it's really promising. I'm happy the result. Because even some of my friends and colleagues saying that I got even my aunt was like, noticed like my skin is very glowy. So, I think it's because of this one. Pero, depende rin kasi sa reaction ng inyong balat. So, for me, it's a good product. Yeah. Yep. And that's it for the unboxing. And I'll see you next time. Thank you!